And finally, let's take you to the financial capital of the country, Mumbai, and get to the top stories from there.
Opposition party BJP leads ruling government of the state new electricity scam. Indian film industry celebrates 100 years of its cinema. Hello and welcome to Metro Scan from Mumbai. I am Tabassum Malik and now let's see the news in detail. Opposition party BJP today alleged the government of Maharashtra with totally new electricity scam. While addressing a press conference today, BJP leader Vinod Tawde said that the central government have allotted funds which is in crores of rupees to the state government of Maharashtra for reducing the load shedding in various areas of Maharashtra, but still there is no positive output of electricity in the state. He also said that the government claims of spending huge amount of funds for thermal power station, and yet the power stations are contributing nil in generating electricity for the state. He also said that this is an electricity scam of the ruling government and compared to it the previous irrigation scam in Maharashtra.
बिल्कुल सिंचाई घोटाले का ये भाई माना जा सकता है बिजली घोटाला कि जिसमें पहले ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट पे पैसा खर्च किया जाए जिससे बिजली निर्मित होकर अपनी निर्मित बढ़े, उसके बजाय 10 जगह पर पैसा बांट देना, 8 साल में 2012 तक जो बातें पूरी होनी है वो पूरी न होना और फिर बाद में उसकी प्राइस कीमत और बढ़ाना। मैं मानता हूं कि ये सिंचाई जैसा ही एक अलग घोटाला महाराष्ट्र के सामने आया है।
In the present times, Indian filmmaking has attained new heights in terms of quality, cinematography, innovative storylines and implementation of technology. The Hindi film industry over years have made films that cater a broad audience.
Years ago, the words lights, camera, action were uttered for the first time in India by Dada Saheb Phalke as he directed Raja Harishchandra on this day. After the screening of a black and white silent film in 1913, the Indian film industry saw an evolving trend of pleasant as well as brash song and dance-laden films.
ये चांद सा रोशन चेहरा, जुल्फों का रंग सुनहरा, ये झील सी नीली आंखें, कोई राज है इनमें गहरा, तारीफ करूं क्या उसकी जिसने तुम्हें बनाया। जीना यहाँ, मरना यहाँ, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ।
Some of the most critically acclaimed Hindi films of all times were produced during this period.
आवारा हूँ
तो कैद खाने की ये रात अनारकली पर नहीं, अकबर आजम की सारी जिंदगी के मंसूबों पर भारी गुजरी।
ये बच्चों के खेलने की चीज नहीं, हाथ कट जाए तो खून निकल आता।
Successful actors at the time included Devanand, Dilip Kumar, Raj Kapoor and Guru Dutt, while Nargis, Nutan, Madhubala were among famous heroines. The 70s and the 80s saw a growing commercialism with the rise of the masala movie, a family entertainer typically mixed up with romance and action, songs and melodrama, a comedy touch and a happy ending. During the late 80s and the late 90s, the pendulum swung back towards family-centric romantic musicals. The 2000s saw a growth in Bollywood's popularity in the world.
कमाल करते हो छेदी से, वारंट निकला है तुम्हारे नाम।
साल पहले मुझे तुमसे प्यार था, आज भी है और कल भी रहेगा।
traders and shopkeepers in Maharashtra started an indefinite strike against the newly introduced local body tax which replaces octroi. Raj K. Purohit, president of BJP Mumbai, said octroi should be abolished. Replacing it with LBT is not a solution. BJP-like traders also oppose LBT. As many as 750 Traders Association of Maharashtra have declared their support for the Bandh. The imposition of LBT has led to losses of the state. No traders in Maharashtra will make fresh registration of LBT, and those who have already made it will quote them.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी, हमारे महाराष्ट्र के अध्यक्ष देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी ने और मैं मुंबई प्रदेश अध्यक्ष, हमने डिक्लेयर किया है कि हम पूरी तरह से व्यापारी समाज के साथ बंद में शामिल हैं, बंद को सहयोग कर रहे, बंद को समर्थन कर रहे और आने वाले समय में जो इस बंद का आंदोलन जो भी होगा, हम उसमें सहयोग तो करने कर रहे हैं, पर बंद में शामिल होने की घोषणा कर रहे हैं। और भारतीय जनता पार्टी की मांग है कि महाराष्ट्र के हित में, व्यापार के हित में, महाराष्ट्र की जनता के हित में लोकल बॉडी टैक्स जो इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ है और लागू होने जा रहा है, वो विड्रॉ किया जाए।
Cancer being deadly disease, there is a rise in number of deaths due to tobacco cancer. Kusumtai Chitte, West Mukti Parishtan's president Narendra Chitte, in a press conference yesterday asked various questions relating to smoking, like who is really responsible for smoking. Any product which comes out for human consumption undergoes many tests for the Food and Drug Department before launching it in the market. How is it then cigarettes and BD tobacco is available in the market? He also asks that ending this vicious circle is tough, but providing solution for de-addiction is easy. This institute is looking out for support from people and media to de-addict poor people. They have also launched a free addiction program for poor. He also said this will create a healthy society and eradicate tobacco from society. With the objective of raising maximum fund for Marathwada Drought Relief Fund, the Marathwada Parivar and Mantra Foundation has organized a musical featuring Sitar Funk. A group of extremely talented musicians like Nilandri Kumar, Satyajit Talwalkar, Sheldon De Silva and Angela Fernandez performed at the event. Leading jazz piano and keyboard artist Louis Bank was the chief guest artist for this event. The group effectively blended Indian classical music with global music to create a musical rarely heard.
Thank you, Tabassum, for joining us from Mumbai on Metroscan. With that, we wrap up this show, but up next is Top News, followed by Priyanka Agarwal Chaudhary with Business Wrap. I'll take your leave. Namaskar.